Next one is linear differential equation. Now a differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q is called a linear differential equation where p and q are functions of x alone, right? Now a differential equation is said to be a linear differential equation if the differential equation occurs, if the derivatives occurs in the first degree and no product of derivatives, no product of dependent variables and their derivatives. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడైనా y స్క్వేర్ ఉందా? నో. పోనీ y ఇంటూ dy బై dx ఉందా? నో. dy బై dx ఇంటూ dy బై dx ఉందా? నో. That means a first order differential equation is said to be a linear differential equation if no product of derivatives, no product of dependent variables and its derivatives, right? Then that differential equation is said to be a linear differential equation. If the differential equation is a linear differential equation, then what is the solution of LDE? Solution of LDE is equal to y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dx plus c. Now this is the solution of given linear differential equation. What is integrating factor? Integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integral p dx. Now integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integral p dx. Solution is equal to y into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. Now we will solve one problem. Solve 1 plus x into dy by dx minus xy is equal to 1 minus x. Now solution. Now here no product of derivatives and it is a first degree differential equation and no product of dependent variables. Therefore the given differential equation is said to be a linear differential equation. Now first of all we have to convert this in standard form. What in by standard form? dy by dx minus xy by 1 plus x is equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x. That means we are dividing it by 1 plus x. Now we call that equation number 1. Equation 1 is in the form of what? dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Compare the equation where p is equal to minus x by 1 plus x, q is equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x, right? Now if you compare the given differential equation with the standard form, you will get the values of p and q. Next we have to find integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integral p dx, e to the power of minus x by 1 plus x dx, right? Now by using partial fractions you will get this one. That means this is equal to e to the power of what you will get here? This is 1 by 1 plus x minus 1, right, into dx. Now if you take LCM then you will get minus x by 1 plus x only. Now what is solution? E to the power of integral 1 by 1 plus x integral is log of 1 plus x minus integration 1 is x, right? This is integrating factor, e to the power of log of 1 plus x minus x. Now then what about the solution? Solution is equal to y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dx plus c. Y into e to the power of integrating factor is e to the power of log of 1 plus x minus x. is equal to, what is q here? Q is 1 minus x by 1 plus x into integrating factor is e to the power of log of 1 plus x minus x dx plus c. Now, this can be simplified on right hand side. 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to, I am writing e to the power of log of 1 plus x into e to the power of minus x I am writing, right? Now e to the power of log of 1 plus x is what? 1 plus x only. 1 minus x by 1 plus x into, this value is 1 plus x into e power minus x dx plus c gets cancelled, right? Now is equal to 1 minus x into e power minus x dx plus c. Now I am multiplying inside e power minus x into e power minus x into dx plus c. On right side only I am simplifying. Integration minus x dx minus integration x into e power minus x dx plus c. Integration of e power minus x is e power minus x by 1 minus this one. Here this is uv formula. Ex u into integration of e power minus x minus integration into derivative of x is 1 e power integration of e power minus x into dx plus c. Whole thing this one. E power minus x, you will get minus sign, minus of x into integration of e power minus x is e power minus x by minus 1 minus integration 1 into integration of e power minus x is e power minus x by minus 1 into dx plus c, right? Whole bracket close, minus e power minus x here, minus here x into e power minus x, this minus minus becomes plus e power minus x dx plus c. E power minus x minus here x in minus x into e power minus x, again you will get e power minus x plus c. Multiplying inside minus e power x minus minus becomes plus x into e power minus x, this one is plus e power minus x plus c, right? These two gets cancelled, e power minus x plus c right hand side. Left hand side what you will get? Y into e power of log of 1 plus x minus x. This is the solution of given differential equation.